Hello students, let us continue chapter number 2. So today we are going to discuss our last topic, that is noise pollution. What is noise pollution? The disturbing or excessive noise that may harm the activity or balance of human and animal life is called noise pollution. Now we will discuss the causes of noise pollution. Machines of industries and vehicles produce loud noise. People celebrate festivals and weddings. During such event, large loudspeaker, musical bands and DJ are called to play loud music. Burning crackers during marriage, Diwali, winning match or election, etc. also causes noise pollution. Increasing vehicles causes noise pollution. Inadequate parking space leads to congestion of traffic in an area. Hence, people blow horns unnecessarily and noise level rises. Now, the effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution leads to deafness and affect the overall health. People become irritated due to noise. Certain insects and organisms die due to loud noise. Hence, nature is also affected. The noise level has increased so much that schools, dispensaries, hospitals, etc. have to compulsorily put signboard like no horn, keep silence, etc. Now, ways to reduce noise pollution. We should play musical instrument during celebrations or even in house slowly. We should burn crackers that are either not very loud or those that produce only light. Vehicles should be periodically serviced to avoid noise from them. Increase in population should be controlled. Afforestation should be avoided and parking places should be made available. Roads of busy routes can be converted into one way. We are all aware how valuable water is. Still, while purchasing a bottle of mineral water, we do not realize its importance. Today, pure water is not only concern. Gandhiji had said that water, land and forest belong to the community. Everybody enjoys equal rights on it. It is a moral sin to make it a commodity for sale. Among the man-made problems, water pollution holds the highest priority. We have to find an answer to it, and this responsibility has to be shared equally by everybody by creating awareness. Every person has to understand his her own responsibility and has to find various measures to make our environment cleaner and healthier. Now you can see slogans for social awareness. Be a compassionate citizen. Save the environment. Environment will save us. Save animals. Now student, I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.